see, see.
I will see him before I leave. I will see him before I leave.
Need, need.
I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water.
No, no.
Do you know the area well? Do you know the area well?
Find, find.
Where did you find this photo? Where did you find this photo?
Take, take.
Let's take some water with us. Let's take some water with us.
Want, want.
I want to stay here with you. I want to stay here with you.
Learn, learn.
I learned a lot from that book. I learned a lot from that book.
Become, become.
The milk has become sour. The milk has become sour.
Come, come.
He comes to school every day. He comes to school every day.
Add, add.
Remember to add the salt. Remember to add the salt.
Choose, choose.
Choose between the two. Choose between the two.
develop, develop.
He wants to develop his skills. He wants to develop his skills.
Remember, remember.
Do you remember the song? Do you remember the song?
Allow, allow.
I will not allow that to happen. I will not allow that to happen.
Improve, improve.
I would like to improve my English. I would like to improve my English.
Begin, begin.
When will the show begin? When will the show begin?
Decide, decide.
I decided to sell my car. I decided to sell my car.
Require, require.
My work requires a lot of time. My work requires a lot of time.
Right, right.
I will write a letter to my friend. I will write a letter to my friend.
Avoid, avoid.
I try to avoid fast food. I try to avoid fast food.
Believe, believe.
I believe what you said. I believe what you said.
Receive, receive.
Did you receive the gift? Did you receive the gift?
seem, seem.
She seems happy today. She seems happy today.
Discuss, discuss.
We will discuss this again. We will discuss this again.
Realize, realize.
I just realized my mistake. I just realized my mistake.
Follow, follow.
Wherever you go, I will follow you. Wherever you go, I will follow you.
Solve, solve.
Can you solve this problem? Can you solve this problem?
Describe, describe.
I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it.
Prefer, prefer.
Do you prefer summer or winter? Do you prefer summer or winter?
Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.